Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can go Google Docs dark mode. So right now, as you guys can see, my Google Doc is in dark mode. So to get this, what you need to do is open up your Google Doc on your phone, because this is only available in your phone. In your browser version, you're going to get the normal light version. So on your phone, you can click on the three line at the top left corner and click on where it says setting at the bottom, the second last option. From over here, you will see the option called theme. Click on theme. Inside theme, make sure dark is selected, because if you have light, it's going to be like this. So choose dark. Now for those people who do not know what system default is, if you choose this, whichever mode your phone is on, that mode is going to be selected. Right now, my phone is a light mode. So if I turn my phone into dark mode, Google Doc is also going to be turned into dark mode. So system default basically means whichever setting your phone is on, that is the setting that's going to be applied on your Google Doc. So if you want that, you can choose that, but I will suggest you to go dark. It's going to be set on dark, whatever setting your phone is. So that's how you guys can go to Google Docs dark mode. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel. One step. I'll see you guys.